Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem on your Instagram. So if you see stories, this page isn't available. So you could see this error because this user just removed his or her page from Instagram, or Instagram just block this page. So also it could be caused by situation that user just changed his or her username. So you need to know new username of this user, or you can try to switch your to check your network settings. So just go to the settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, just go to Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.